Hey there! Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your cozy corner of the internet for beautiful, livable spaces. I'm so glad you're here today, because we're diving into something truly special, timeless neutral decor for a peaceful farmhouse home. From the front facade all the way to the garage and patio, we're walking through every single space together. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now and ring the bell so you never miss our weekly design inspiration. And if you've been here before, drop a comment below and tell me your favorite neutral color. Let's get started. Your home's exterior is its handshake with the world, and in farmhouse design, that handshake is warm, grounded, and effortlessly beautiful. Think crisp white or warm grayish board and batten siding, paired with natural wood accents and a charcoal metal roof. Add black-framed windows to anchor the palette and introduce contrast. Window boxes overflowing with soft greenery and white florals echo that summer freshness we love. A classic lantern-style pendant light beside the front door ties everything together. The key principle here is restraint. Let honest materials and clean lines do the talking, and your home becomes a timeless portrait before anyone even steps inside. The moment someone steps through your front door, your entryway whispers the story of your entire home. For a neutral farmhouse entryway, start with a shiplap accent wall in soft white or warm linen. Mount a simple wooden coat and hat rack with black iron hooks, practical and beautiful at once. Below it, a slim shoe cabinet in weathered oak keeps everything tidy. Add a cushioned bench in a natural linen fabric for easy shoe changes. Hang a round arched mirror to open up the space visually. Layer in a jute or woven cotton mat, and finish with a small dried botanicals arrangement for that signature farmhouse charm. The farmhouse living room is where timeless neutrals truly shine. Anchor the space with a linen or cotton slipcover sofa in warm ivory. It's forgiving, washable, and endlessly stylish. Layer in textured throw pillows in oatmeal, sage, and soft terracotta to add warmth without noise. A chunky knit throw draped casually over the armrest adds that relaxed summer farmhouse energy. Ground everything with a jute area rug, and place a reclaimed wood coffee table at the center. Style the coffee table with a low ceramic vase, a stack of design books, and a single candle. Natural light is your best accessory. Keep window treatments sheer and simple. A farmhouse dining room invites lingering. It says, "Sit down, stay a while." Choose a solid oak or pine dining table with a natural finish, letting the wood grain be the visual star. Pair it with mismatched but cohesive chairs. A couple of wooden ladder backs alongside a linen upholstered bench creates that collected over time feel. For your table decor, think simple elegance. A linen table runner in soft ecru, a cluster of white ceramic vases with dried pampas grass or fresh eucalyptus, and a few pillar candles at varying heights. Layered neutral placemats and simple stoneware complete the setting beautifully for any summer gathering. Every great farmhouse kitchen begins with the right palette. Soft white or warm cream shaker-style cabinets are your foundation. Their simple raised panel detailing is quintessentially farmhouse. Pair upper cabinets with open floating shelves in natural wood to display your most beautiful everyday pieces. Choose a matte black or brushed brass hardware for a refined contrast. A stainless steel or matte black refrigerator reads modern yet timeless. Your stove, ideally a classic range style, becomes a focal point. On the counter, tuck in a small, compact coffee machine in matte white or black. Style it with a wooden tray, small ceramic mugs, and a linen dish towel for an effortlessly curated kitchen corner. A well-styled kitchen counter tells a story of daily rituals done beautifully. Keep the countertops, ideally in honed white marble or butcher block, largely clear, because in neutral farmhouse design, breathing room is everything. Group your small appliances intentionally. Your compact coffee machine sits on a wooden tray alongside a small glass jar of coffee beans and a ceramic pour-over. This is what designers call a vignette, a purposeful grouping of objects that feels curated, not cluttered. Add a small potted herb like rosemary or thyme for a fresh summer touch. The mantra here is simple: everything on your counter should earn its place. The farmhouse family room is where real life happens. Movie nights, lazy Sundays, puzzle sessions, and everything in between. Center the room around a flat-screen TV mounted on a shiplap feature wall, flanked by floating wooden shelves styled with books, small baskets, and a trailing potted plant. Choose a deep, comfortable sectional sofa in a warm greige or oatmeal boucle fabric. Boucle is a textured loop fabric that is incredibly cozy and very much on trend. Layer the floor with a large jute rug and add floor poofs in natural leather or cotton for extra seating. Dimmable lighting here is essential for shifting the room from lively to peaceful effortlessly. Who says a home office can't feel warm and personal? In a neutral farmhouse home, carve out a quiet corner with a unique, characterful desk. Think a small antique writing table in worn oak or a custom-built floating desk with natural wood shelving above. Style the desktop with intention. A small vintage-style desk clock adds charm and personality, while a compact radio in matte black or cream brings in ambient sound without screens. For the reading nook beside it, tuck in an upholstered armchair in a warm neutral fabric, add a floor lamp, and stack a small side table with your current reads and a ceramic mug. This space should inspire you daily. A dedicated reading nook is one of the most intentional gifts you can give yourself in a farmhouse home. Choose a corner with natural light, ideally beneath a window, and anchor it with a plush, high-back chair or a built-in bench with cushions in a soft linen or cotton blend. Layer pillows generously, mixing textures like waffle knit and woven cotton. A simple wooden bookshelf beside the nook holds your favorite titles within easy reach. Add a small woven basket for blankets, a delicate ceramic lamp on a side table, and a potted trailing plant on the windowsill. This is slow living made beautifully tangible. Your bedroom should be the quietest, most restorative room in your home, and in neutral farmhouse design, it absolutely can be. Start with a statement bed frame in natural wood or white painted iron. Both are quintessentially farmhouse. Layer the bedding generously. Start with crisp white cotton sheets, add a linen duvet in warm oatmeal, and finish with a chunky knit throw at the foot of the bed. Style your nightstand simply: a ceramic lamp, a small candle, a book. Mount a single piece of soft botanical artwork above the bed. Keep the color palette to whites, creams, and soft warm taupes. In a farmhouse bedroom, the goal is always peaceful simplicity. Beyond the bed itself, the supporting cast of furniture defines your farmhouse bedroom's character. Choose a dresser in a natural wood finish or painted white with simple bin-pull hardware. A vintage-inspired full-length mirror leaning against the wall adds both function and effortless style. 4 window treatments. Opt for linen curtains in ivory or soft flax that pull gently on the floor. This technique, called puddling, adds a luxurious, relaxed feel. Place a woven seagrass basket in the corner for laundry or throws. Small potted plants on the dresser bring life and summer freshness. Every piece should contribute to the feeling of calm, intentional living that farmhouse design does best. A farmhouse bathroom in neutral tones is one of the most deeply calming spaces you can create. For your shower, consider white subway tile laid in a classic brick pattern, timeless, clean, and endlessly versatile. Add a matte black or brushed nickel range shower head for a touch of elevated simplicity. At the vanity area, choose a vessel sink or undermount basin in white ceramic, paired with a wooden vanity base in warm walnut or white painted oak. Layer in natural accessories: a wooden soap dish, cotton hand towels in soft ivory, a small ceramic plant pot, and a glass apothecary jar filled with cotton balls. Every detail should feel considered and unhurried. In bathroom design, it's the accessories that whisper, "This space was designed with love." Hang a reclaimed wood-framed mirror above the vanity. Slightly oversized mirrors make bathrooms feel more spacious, a great visual trick. Add a small woven basket below the vanity for rolled hand towels. Choose your hardware consistently, matte black or brushed brass, never mixed. A potted plant like a small fern or trailing pothose thrives in bathroom humidity and adds beautiful organic texture. Fold your towels neatly and display them openly for a boutique hotel feel. Finally, a single glass bud vase with a fresh flower or sprig of eucalyptus transforms an everyday bathroom into something truly special. Most people overlook the garage entirely, but in a well-designed farmhouse home, even the garage reflects intention and care. Start with wall-mounted pegboards in natural wood or white MDF for tool organization, functional and visually clean. Install open shelving in black metal and reclaimed wood for storage bins, all matching in color for visual cohesion. Choose containers in neutral tones, cream, black, and natural wicker, and label them in simple handwritten or printed script. A weathered wood workbench along one wall becomes both practical and charming. If budget allows, epoxy flooring in light gray gives the garage a polished, finished look. Even utility spaces deserve to feel purposeful. Your farmhouse patio is an extension of your interior, and in summer, it becomes your most used room. Begin with durable outdoor furniture in natural materials, teak, eucalyptus, or powder-coated metal in matte black or warm white. Choose seat cushions in weather-resistant fabrics in soft neutrals like sand, ecru, or slate gray. Layer in an outdoor jute-style rug to define the seating area and add warmth underfoot. String bistro lights overhead for magical evening ambience. Style a small outdoor side table with a lantern, a potted succulent, and a citronella candle. Add potted olive trees or lavender at the corners for height, fragrance, and that beloved summer farmhouse character. Here's a design truth worth holding on to. Neutrals never go out of style because they don't compete, they complement. Trendy colors come and go with the seasons, but a palette rooted in warm whites, soft taupes, creams, and naturals creates a home that feels perpetually fresh and beautifully calm. This approach, often called tonal dressing in design circles, means layering different shades and textures within the same neutral family to create depth without visual chaos. Think of it like building an outfit in your favorite color. Variety and texture keeps it interesting. When you invest in a neutral foundation, every seasonal update becomes effortless and affordable. You don't need to renovate everything at once to achieve this look. In fact, the best approach is always intentional and gradual. Start with your largest surfaces, walls, floors, and big furniture pieces in your core neutrals. Then layer in texture through textiles, linen cushions, jute rugs, cotton throws, before finally adding personality through carefully chosen accessories and plants. Shop secondhand and thrift stores for natural wood and ceramic pieces that carry authentic character. Stick to a maximum of 3 neutral tones per room to maintain cohesion. And here's a golden tip. Always sample paint colors in your actual space before committing, because natural light changes everything. Start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. The magic of neutral farmhouse design across an entire home is in the narrative thread that connects every space. When your entryway whispers the same quiet story as your living room, and your bedroom echoes the palette of your bathroom, the entire home feels intentional and serene. This sense of flow is achieved through consistent use of materials: natural wood, white or cream walls, black or brass metal accents, and organic textiles repeated throughout. You don't need matching furniture sets. You need a unified design language. Collect pieces you genuinely love, anchor them in your neutral palette, and let each room breathe its own personality while singing in harmony with the rest of your home. And that, my friends, is your complete guide to timeless neutral decor for a peaceful farmhouse home, from the front facade all the way to your patio under the summer sky. I hope this has sparked ideas, answered questions, and most importantly, made you feel genuinely excited about the home you're creating. Remember, beautiful design is not about perfection. It's about intention, comfort, and spaces that truly feel like you. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend who loves home design. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for fresh weekly inspiration. We have so much more beautiful content coming your way. Leave a comment below and tell me which space was your favorite today. Until next time, keep designing your most beautiful, peaceful life.